morning everyone, myself Shrestha Alok. I am pursuing my BCA from IIM Patna. Currently I am in the bridge course. I have completed this presentation under the guidance of Koshambi ma'am. In this presentation I am going to talk about the summary that I learned from the movie 12th Fail. So coming to the introduction of the movie, 12th Fail is an Indian biographical drama film directed, written and produced by Vidhu Vinod Chopra. Giving a gist of the movie, Manoj Kumar Sharma belongs to Chambal village in Madhya Pradesh, where cheating is a common practice. He was appearing for his 12th board examination, and on that very particular day, a very strict police officer, DSP Dushyant Singh, arrived and he stopped the process of cheating. As a result, Manoj fails his examination and he gets the label of 12th fail. But he, along with his brother, starts riding passenger vehicle. But in that also he falls down into a trouble. To his aid or rescue arrives DSP Dushyant Singh. Getting attracted and inspired by the honesty of Dushyant Singh, Manoj starts considering him as his idol and he plans to become like him. But in my opinion, destiny has some other plans. Manoj enters into the world of UPSC, which is one of the toughest examinations of the world. The very first lesson that I learned from the movie is resilience and perseverance. Resilience means to recover, and perseverance means all the efforts which we put down, despite of all the difficulties and failures, to achieve something. In this movie, it showcases how protagonist Manoj Sharma overcomes numerous failures and societal pressures to achieve his goal of becoming a civil servant. It underscores the importance of bouncing back from setbacks and continuing to strive for one's goal. Yes, in our life also, what we do is we don't recover easily. We always sit and cry over petty things, but this will only result in getting sympathy from others, not in your success or in a positive manner. Same wise, what we do is we always cry over the difficulties, the failures which we face in our life, which is a sign of cowardice. We should not do that. We should always fight back against whatsoever problem we are facing in our life. The second lesson that I learned from the movie is focus and determination. Despite distractions, Manoj maintains a strong focus on his ultimate objective. The movie teaches viewers to stay focused on their goals and not get derailed by obstacles or temporary failures. In this particular movie, Manoj not only failed once, twice but thrice. But in his very last attempt, he clarified his UPSC examination and became an IPS officer. Same, whether we are student, we are entrepreneur, we are starting up a business, or we are studying, or we are doing a job. What we do is we are not focused over our goal. We don't have that strong determination. For achieving anything in your life, in whatsoever field you are, you need to be focused over your goal. Being distracted and not determined won't help you in any other manner. Now, the very last lesson that I learned from the movie is the attitude of never giving up. Manoj had lots of problems. He was financially weak. He failed in his 12th examination and also in the UPSC for the first 3 attempts he failed over there. He didn't have resources. He even worked in an atta chakki mill, slept there, studied under the light of the bulb. He worked in the library, slept on the floors of the library. He even did a job of taking dogs for walk, but he didn't give up. He had made a promise to himself that until and unless I become an officer, I won't go back to my home. And that is the thing which we should also learn from this movie. We should not easily give up. What we do is we run the race, but in the last lap, we give up. We completely give up that, oh, I won't be able to do it. But there, before finishing the goal only, you fail there itself. So we should not give up. This film inspires viewers to never lose hope and to keep trying even when faced with multiple failures. The protagonist's ultimate success serves as a testament to the power of perseverance. Thank you all.